welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. JPMorgan Chase, Bank of America, Citi Group and several other major financial institutions are reportedly developing a shared blockchain-based deposit network that could launch in 2027. Well, the initiative is being coordinated through the Clearinghouse, a major US payments operator. The network would mainly allow commercial bank deposits to be represented digitally as tokenized deposits and transferred between participating institutions in real time. But supporters say the overall system could mainly significantly reduce settlement times and also improve payment efficiency. Banking leaders view the project as a response to the growing popularity of stablecoins and blockchain-based payment rails. By keeping transactions within the regulated banking system, institutions hope to modernize payments while maintaining compliance and oversight. Russia's central bank is backing a proposal that would limit retail investors to trading only Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT through regulated platforms. The measure forms part of the country's upcoming digital asset framework, which is expected to take effect by July 2026. Now, under the proposal, cryptocurrencies such as Solana, XRP, Cardano may not be available to non-qualified investors. Regulators argue that restricting access to larger, more established assets will help protect retail participants from excessive volatility on speculative risks. Officials say Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT meet key requirements including liquidity, market size, operational history. The move reflects Russia's broader effort to develop a regulated crypto market while maintaining tighter oversight of investor activity and digital asset adoption. Crypto exchange Bybit has launched IPO Express, a new platform designed to give eligible users access to tokenized initial public offerings. The exchange says the service makes it possible for retail investors to participate in IPO allocations at the offering price through blockchain-based infra. And the first project available through IPO Express will be SpaceX. Users can register interest, subscribe during allocation period, and receive tokenized shares directly through their Bybit accounts. The initiative is powered by Xtalks and aims to reduce barriers that traditionally limited IPO participation to institutional investors. Well, Bybit says the launch represents another step towards combining traditional finance with digital assets as tokenized real-world assets continue to gain traction across global markets. Travala has launched what it describes as the world's first agentic AI travel protocol, enabling autonomous AI agents to search, book, pay for hotel reservations with minimal human intervention. The system currently supports more than 2.2 million hotels worldwide. Built on Coinbase's blockchain, the protocol allows machine-to-machine transactions using USDT payments. Well, Travala says the platform can help users plan and complete travel bookings through a single AI-powered conversation while maintaining payment security through blockchain tech. The company is also offering developers incentives to integrate the protocol into their applications, and Travala plans to expand the service beyond hotels and flight bookings as part of its broader vision for autonomous travel commerce. Bitmine Emerging Technologies has secured $280 million through a Series A funding round to accelerate its expansion into Ethereum infra and high-performance computing services. The company plans to shift beyond traditional Bitcoin mining and increase its focus on Ethereum-related operations. Well, the capital will be used to support GPU-based computing systems, Ethereum staking services, and other blockchain infra initiatives. Bitmine believes its immersion cooling technology can provide a competitive advantage for high-density computing environments. And despite the major fundraising announcement, the company's shares declined more than 10% as investors weighed execution risks and challenges associated with its evolving business strategy. Analysts remain optimistic about the long-term opportunity but are awaiting strong financial results. Financial technology firm Cross River has committed $250 million to Figure through a forward flow agreement aimed at supporting crypto-backed mortgage lending. The deal provides Figure with predictable liquidity to originate new home loans backed by several digital assets, and borrowers can now use crypto holdings as collateral while also accessing traditional mortgage financing. The agreement highlights growing institutional interest in crypto-backed lending products and reflects increasing efforts to integrate blockchain-based assets into traditional financial markets. Crypto exchange HTX has announced plans to delist World Liberty Financial's USD1 stablecoin following a dispute over frozen wallet addresses. According to HTX, the issuer of USD1 froze several ETWs, citing some sanctions compliance reviews. An exchange claims the action negatively impacted users and argues that frozen assets belong to legitimate customers rather than sanctioned entities. Hence, the trading pairs involving USD1 have already been suspended, while remaining eligible holdings will be converted into USDT at a 1-to-1 ratio. The Bahamas Maritime Authority has launched a blockchain-powered digital Seafarer record book designed to replace traditional paper-based maritime records. The new platform allows seafarers to digitally store, verify, and share service records while improving security through blockchain technology. And features include digital discharge certificates, QR code verification, real-time credential validation. While authorities say the system complies with the international maritime standards, enhances efficiency for seafarers, ship owners, and regulators. The government of Bhutan has reportedly moved more than $67 million worth of Bitcoin, sparking speculation that the country may be reducing its crypto holdings amid growing market uncertainty. Blockchain data from Markham Intelligence shows several Bitcoin transfers linked to Bhutan over the past 24 hours. The largest transaction involved nearly 365 Bitcoin worth over $22 million. Additional transfers ranging from 188 Bitcoin to smaller 1 Bitcoin transaction brought the total transferred amount to around 1,095 BTC. The development comes as analysts warn Bitcoin could face further downside pressure, with some forecasts pointing to potential lows near $48,000. Russia's central bank has confirmed that the country's digital ruble will officially launch on September 1, with major financial institutions already connected to the network. According to Bank of Russia, 12 leading banks are fully prepared to provide digital ruble services when the rollout begins. The digital currency will integrate with Russia's nationwide QR code payment infra, covering millions of merchant locations. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.com or scan the QR code.